Hey, it's Chris at KC Power Clean, and we need you.
Little backstory, I started out here about 5 years ago as a technician working in the field part-time while I was going to college.
I came in as a general technician, having done next to nothing with my hands. Very little background with mechanics or with anything like that.
I came as just as a helper in the field.
I came in as basically a shop hand, essentially.
At KC Power Clean, after 3 years of working in the field, opportunity came up. I got to start doing a bunch of different things that I didn't expect. I didn't think I'd like, and I knew nothing about business, but I learned a lot along the way.
I'm a territory sales manager.
I am running the operations for the whole team.
Awesome.
For both day and night and helping out with the San Diego branch.
And really just never left because there's so many great opportunities here. Like I said, I worked from a technician all the way up to a shop manager at one point, into the sales team, and then all the way to running my own branch here in San Diego as a general manager.
My name is Max.
My name is Brian Garcia.
My name is Johnny Herrera.
My name is Lazaro Salazar. I'm with KC Power Clean. Our core values are grit,
integrity,
attitude,
northbound,
and teamwork.
The value that I create provides, it seems to return differently than at my previous profession.
Getting to work with a great team, serious. Getting to work with a great team. I don't have to worry. I know everything's gonna get done.
It's good stuff.
When you have a great team, you know that they can carry themselves.
Get some of that team vibe. I get that competitiveness. I get the unknown that tends to come up here a little bit with the business and with the operations and the opportunity to problem solve. That's some of my favorite stuff.
Everybody's looking out for each other. It can be fun and demanding at the same time, and then quite rewarding as a result of that.
I feel like there's a lot of potential as long as that person know what they want. Like over here, there's a lot of opportunities for it to grow.
There's no limits on what you can earn here. You can earn as much as you want. You can take it as far as you want.
Really look forward to you guys joining the team someday soon, and I know the opportunities will be just as great for you.
Come on out. We need self-starting individuals who are proactive, who are responsible, who want to be giant. Those are our core values, and we're looking for people who want to learn how to be successful in the exterior cleaning world. So come on out, good things will happen. Take the leap of faith, have some courage, and come and make your first call.